Colin, what are we doing today?
Do you want a Thanksgiving video?
Thanksgiving? What are we building today, though?
A Thanksgiving book.
A Thanksgiving turkey book, huh? What are some of the tools and supplies that we need?
Glue,
Okay.
markers, stamps, and feathers.
Feathers, and for our turkey, he might need some eyes, a beak,
Yeah.
and a little waddler. What's that thing called?
Gobbler.
A gobbler, a little gobbler.
Here's
I
the
don't know the
book.
specific name for it. That guy. Okay. Goes by his beak. What do we need to do first? Should we start with the feathers and work towards the front? Okay. So, we cut out some cardboard and some construction paper. We're going to glue these on here. Start making feathers around our little paperback book. I'll start putting these on for you guys, and you can do them too.
And the turkey is taking a little peek.
Don't startle them. Okay guys, did we get our feathers done? There we go. So now, what's the next step, Ollie? So we're gonna take our feathers and start putting them on our little book like that. Okay, so we'll do that and be right back. Ollie, what are we doing?
Beginning to make our turkey.
Looking good so far. We're starting to put the feathers on. Okay guys, halfway through. What do we have on there so far?
The feathers.
We've got the feathers. We got the binding to our little book. Now what comes next?
The eyes.
The beak, the gobbler, and what are those?
The eyes.
The eyes.
The
Okay.
eyes. Should we get to work?
Okay, let's get to work. Good job, guys. Looking good. Here's your beak, sis.
How many pages
Just
are
do another
there?
little
Yeah,
dot.
they show did you want the page numbers?
We can. That'd be good for counting practice, huh? Okay. Put on your little gobbler. I got you. Okay, guys. So now that we've made our little turkey books, what's our next step in it? Do you remember?
Gobble.
We got our little gobblers. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to write what we're thankful in each of our pages. So
And we need to do a page number.
yeah, and we can do our page numbers too. And while we're doing that, we can talk about kind of what is Thanksgiving and what's it all about. And do you remember kind of the history behind Thanksgiving?
October.
Yep, so it happens in the fall, and when the settlers came here first to America, and when they landed, they grew crops during the summer. Fall, they harvested them. The Native Americans here helped the first settlers harvest, and then they celebrated that harvest with them. And so that was kind of the origins of Thanksgiving here in America, and it's not just here that we celebrate it, but there's some other countries too. There's countries like Canada and Brazil, Grenada, St. Lucia, and also Germany and Japan have similar type of harvest festivals as well. So it really is kind of the iconic celebration of the harvest and what it's taken to grow all those crops and food to get ready for the winter. And the other kind of symbolism with Thanksgiving is a lot of people think about food. What are some of our favorite food for Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
Turkey? Is that Tom the turkey?
Yeah.
So there's turkey. What are some other good foods that we like to eat?
Popcorn.
Maybe some popcorn, corn. How about just corn, sis? Yeah.
Turkey.
Turkey. What about pumpkin pie?
Pumpkin pie and apple pie.
And apple pie. And what about sweet potato casserole?
Ooh, yeah.
That's good. And green
Hey.
beans.
Yum.
And cranberry sauce and bread and rolls. All sorts of yummy stuff. What's your favorite dish at Thanksgiving, sis?
My favorite food is turkey.
Turkey? Turkey. What's yours, bud?
What does this spell?
Or cob. Corn on the cob. Good job. What's your favorite food, bud?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. You like the whipping cream on the pies.
Yeah.
So when we were talking about when the settlers got here and celebrated, what is kind of the sentiment and the real symbolism behind Thanksgiving? Is it being with our friends and family and loved ones? And probably most important of all, what we're thankful and grateful for, huh? Because we have a lot of things to be thankful and grateful for. What are some of the things that you're thankful and grateful for that we're writing in our books here?
I'm thankful for foxes, corn on the cob,
Corn on the cob.
Dad,
Yeah.
Mom.
Good. So our family. What are you thankful for, sis?
I'm thankful for I'm thankful for camels, rats, and penguins and tortoises and lions
So all of our animals here on the world.
Me too. I'm thankful for unicorns.
Yeah.
And I'm thankful for Santa.
Yeah. Those are a lot of things to be thankful for.
And I'm thankful for turkey.
I am really thankful for our family here and that we're able to spend time together and do these fun videos together and come up with all these fun, crazy ideas.
Gobble, gobble. Peck, peck, peck. Page 1, Mom.
Okay. There's Mom.
Page 2, Dad.
Okay.
Page 3, Fox.
Foxes.
Wait. Need to draw a S on the end.
Oh, okay. Good job with your plurals. What page number are we on right now?
Number 3.
Number 3. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good job with your page numbers at the bottom there.
4.
We got 4. What's this guy? Corn on the cob. Okay.
Page 5. Olive.
Okay. Good.
Page 6. Pets.
Pets. Good.
That's all.
Good job. Let's take a look at yours, sis.
Page 1, a smile.
Good. That is a good one.
Page 2, circles.
Shapes. Good job.
And also, I'm thinking global.
Here, let's show us yours.
And I'm thankful for my name.
Yeah.
And I'm thankful for heart and this.
Good job. Good job, sis. You guys did great.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble. Thanks for joining us all on our tour, on our Thanksgiving and eventual subscribe and like and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Gobble gobble.
Good job, bud.
Tom the turkey says bye.